Are you follow the lessons? Okay, today we discuss about the compute the following sums, how to solve the small sums, additions, multiplications and subtractions. First question, compute the following. First one is the 7 plus 4, simple addition. You take 4 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Next one, 8 plus of minus 3. 8 plus of minus 3. 8 write as this. Plus into minus. This bracket means into. Plus into minus. What? Minus 3. 8 minus 3. 8 fingers we take away 3. How much is left? 5. Next one. 4 plus of minus 4. 4 plus of minus 4. Of means bracket into etc. 4 write as this. Plus into minus. Minus 4. 4 minus 4. Suppose you have 4 chocolates or 4 chocolates eaten. How much? How many are left? Nothing is left. 4 minus 4 also 0. Next one. 225 plus of minus 145. 225 plus of minus 145. Write 225 as it is. Here plus into minus, minus 145. This one is the plus sign, this one is the minus sign. Subtract. 5 minus 5, 0. Shall you take 4 from 2? No. You borrow from here. Here is 1, here is 1. 8 after 12. 4 after 12. 4 after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 4 is the 8. 1 minus 1, 0. 225 minus 145 equal to 80. Which 80? Positive number is the highest number, so plus 80. Clear now? 225 plus of minus 145. 225 write as this. Plus into minus, minus 145. 5 minus 5, 0. You did not take 4 from 2. So you borrow from here. 1 borrow 1 means 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 4, 18. 1 minus 1, 0. 225 minus 145 equal to 80. 8 is the positive number. Why? 225 is the biggest number. So biggest number having the positive side, you put the positive. Clear now? Next, second question. Solve the following. 17 minus of minus 14. First you write on the 17. Minus into minus. Plus 14. Equal to 7 plus 4. 11. We write down 1 in the 1's place. 1 is left. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 17 minus of minus 14 equal to 17 plus 14, that equal to 31. Next one. 15 minus 28. Here is the positive. Here is the negative. Which one is the biggest number? 28 is the biggest number. 15 is the smallest number. So you take 15 from 28. 8 minus 5. 3. 2 minus 1. 1. Biggest number having the negative sign, you put the negative. Clear one? Otherwise you write like this, so like this also. First you write at 28. Write down 15. Both are different signs. So you 11, 12, 13, 8. 13 minus 5 is the 8. 2 minus 2, 0. This answer is 8. Which way? Minus 8. Why? 33 is the biggest number. 33 having the negative sign, you put the negative. Next one. 150 minus 75. First you write down the 150. 75. Both are different signs for, so you borrow from big number to small number. Shall you take 5 from 0? No, you did not take. So borrow from here. Here is 4. Here is 10. 10 minus 5 is the 5. Again you did not take 7 from 4. You borrow from here. Here is 0. Here is 1. 7 after 14. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 7. 150 minus 75 is the 75. Which 75? Positive number or negative number? Positive number. Why? Because 150 having the biggest number in these two numbers. 150 having the positive sign, you put the positive one. See the next question, fill in the blanks. Minus 100 into minus 6. Here how many negative signs are there? 2 negative signs are there. Minus, minus. Minus into minus. Plus. 106 are 600. Minus 3 into dash equal to 3. Minus 3 into dash equal to 3. Here which number you put? You got 3. 3 1 are 3. So here I put 1. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. But here is 3. So put minus. Minus into minus plus. 3 1 are 3. Next one. 100 into minus 7. 100 is a positive number. Minus 7 is the negative number. Plus into minus. First you put the minus. 107 are 700. 3 into minus 1. 3 1 are 3. But here minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 is the minus 3. Here also 2 negative signs are there. Minus into minus plus 21 30s are. Here 1 0 is there. Put 0 in the 1's place. 3 1 are 3. 3 2s are 6. 21 30s are 630. Next. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Any number is multiplied by 0, we get 0. So 15 zeros are 0. 0 18 are 0. You put 0. Next. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. First you write down minus 18 as it is. Into minus plus 5 4s are 20 equal to minus into plus minus, here is 0, put 0, 2 8 are 16, 6 right in the tens place, 1 is left, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4 equal to minus 360. Number of odd negatives is the negative. Next. How many negative integers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Even number of negative integers. Positive integer. First you multiply. Minus into minus plus. 3 6 are 18 into minus into minus plus 2 1 are 2 plus into plus plus 18 2s are 36. Okay ma'am, compute the following again. 145. 225 write as it is, plus into minus, minus 145. 5 minus 5 0. You did not take 4 from 2, so you borrow from hundreds place. Here is 1. 2 minus 1 1. 1 borrow means 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 minus 4 8. 8. 1 minus 1 0. Put positive sign. Why? Because 225 is a positive number, so you put the positive. Next, solve the following. 17 minus of minus 14. 17 write as it is, minus into minus plus 14. 17 plus 14 31. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 7 27. 27 plus 4 31. 15 minus 28. 1 is the positive number, next one is the negative number. So without sign, 28 is the biggest number. First you write the biggest number, 28 minus 15. 8 minus 5 3. 2 minus 1 1. Minus 30. Why? 28 is the biggest number having the negative sign, you put the negative. 25 minus 33. In these two numbers, 33 is the biggest number, you write on 33. 25. You did not take 5 from 3, so you borrow from tens place. 3 minus 1 2. 1 borrow means 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 minus 5 8. 2 minus 2 0. 8 is the negative number. Why? Because 33 is the biggest number having the negative sign, you put the negative. 150 minus 75. First you write down 150 75. You did not take 5 from 0, so you borrow from tens place. 1 means 10. 10 minus 5 5. Here is 4 is left. Again you borrow from hundreds place. 14. 14 minus 7 7. 75 plus 75. In y 150 having the positive integer. Fill in the blanks. Minus into minus plus 106 is 600. Minus 3 into dash equal to 3. Minus into minus plus 3 1 3. So minus 1 is the your answer. 10 into minus 7. 10 into minus 7. Plus into minus minus 107 the 700. 3 into minus 1. 3 plus into minus minus 3 1 the 3. Here also two negative signs. Minus into minus plus. Here 1 0 is there. You put 0 in the 1's place. 3 1 the 3. 3 2 the 6. Any number is multiplied by 0, you get 0. So 15 into 0 0. 0 into 18 is equal to 0. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. First minus 18 write as it is. Minus 5 into minus 4 plus 20. Minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20. Minus into plus minus. Once in the ones plus 0 you put 0. 2 18 8 chap 16 6 1 2 1 chap 2 plus 1 3. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 6. Minus into minus plus 3 6 are 18 into minus into minus plus 2 1 are 2. 8 into 2 are 36. Plus into plus plus. Okay children, see the next question. At certain freezing process requires the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? A certain freezing point, what is the room temperature of 40 degrees centigrade? The rate of decreasing the temperature for every hour 5 degrees centigrade. Starting point, room temperature 40 degrees. Every hour, how many degrees of temperature decreases? 5 degree centigrade temperature decreases. After 10 hours, what is the room temperature? First you write on the room temperature. The room temperature equal to 40 degree centigrade. The rate of decreasing temperature for every hour. The rate of decreasing temperature every hour equal to 5 degrees centigrade. Decreasing means minus 5 degree centigrade. How many hours after what is the temperature you find out? So how many hours are given? 10 hours. Number of hours. Equal to 10. Temperature decreases in 10 hours. Temperature decreases in 10 hours equal to 10 into for hour minus 5 degree centigrade. Minus 5 degree centigrade. 10 5s are 50. Plus into minus minus 50 degree centigrade. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? After 10 hours, the room temperature after 10 hours, the room temperature equal to first room temperature is the 40 degrees. In 10 hours, how many degrees decreases now? Minus 50 degree centigrade. Here is positive, here is negative. So 50 minus 40, 10. 50 having the minus sign, so you put minus 10 degree centigrade. Again I repeat now. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degree centigrade at the rate of 5 degree centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Here the starting point of room temperature 40 degree centigrade. Every hour how much centigrade of temperature decreases? 5 degree centigrade. After 10 hours, number of hours given 10. In 10 hours how much decreases? 10 into 5 minus 50. After 10 hours, starting point minus after 10 hours. 40 minus 50, 10 degree centigrade. Clear now? Okay, Nana. See the next question. This is the very important question. Simple question also. First, in a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks for every correct answer and minus 2 marks given for every incorrect answer. In your daily classes, assignments are conducted. So, some 10 questions or 12 questions are given. In this question also 15 questions are given. Number of questions, how many? 15. Some questions are 2 marks questions, some questions are 4 marks questions. Here, all questions are same marks. 15 questions are, each question carries 4 marks. But every correct answer gives 4 marks, every incorrect gives minus 2 marks. So, how many questions are there? 15 questions. Marks given for correct answer plus 4. Marks given for incorrect answer minus 2. First you write out that meanings. Number of questions. In a class test. equal to 50. Marks given for every correct answer equal to 4. Marks given for every incorrect answer equal to -2. Number of questions 15. Every correct answer goes 4 marks. Every incorrect answer goes minus minus 2 marks. In this question, first bit, here 2 students are given. Bharati attends all questions. Bharati attends all questions. Bharati write all the answers. 15 answers she wrote. Only 9 answers are correct. But 9 are correct. What is her total score? Number of correct answers. How many correct answers now? 9. Number of incorrect answers. Total questions how many? 15. How many correct answers? 9. 15 minus 9. 6. 6 incorrect answers. Okay. Marks for 9 correct answers. 9 correct answers equal to 9. Every correct answer having the 4 marks. So 9 into 4. 9 4 jar 36. Marks for 6 incorrect answers. Incorrect questions 6. 6 into minus 2 that equal to minus 12. Bharati score. Bharati's score equal to correct answers minus 6 minus 2 4. 3 minus 1 2 equal to 24. Bharati's score is 24. Here Bharati write all questions but 9 are 9 only correct. So number of correct answers 9. How many incorrect? Total questions minus correct questions. 15 minus 9 6. 9 correct answers marks 36. 9 4 are 36. 6 incorrect answers score. 6 into minus 2 minus 1. Her score Here given 15 questions, but negative marks are there, so she write only, she knows very well that question's answers only she don't know. So how many? 5. 5 are correct. So number of correct answers attempts 5. 5 are correct. So marks were 5 correct answers. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Therefore 20 marks so Hema score equal to, therefore Hema total score equal to 1. Again once again I repeat, Seema, this question will be divided into three steps. First step, in a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. How many questions are given? 15. Number of questions in a class test 15. Every correct answers, marks for every correct answer is 4. Marks for every incorrect answer minus 2. In the first step, Bharat attempts all questions. All questions she wrote, but 9 only correct, remaining are incorrect. So number of correct answers 9. Number of incorrect answers. How you find? Total questions minus correct questions. 15 minus 9, 6. Number of incorrect questions 6. Marks for 9 correct answers. 9 4s are 36. Marks for 6 incorrect answers. 6 into minus 2 minus 1. Bharat score. Total correct answers minus total incorrect answers. 24. 36 minus 1, 24. One of our friend Haiva attempts only 5 questions. 5 are correct. 5 4s are 20. Before closing my class, I will give you the assignment. Simplify minus 20 into minus 10. Here 2 minus negative signs are there. Minus into minus plus 20 into 20 10 jar. How much? You write out. Next 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Here 3 integers are given but 2 are negative. So this one also you got negative or positive. Remember 2 negative integers are there. Okay. Next minus 1 into 225. Any number is multiplied. Any number into any number into 1, you get the same number. But here minus is there, so your answer is negative. 13 minus of minus 8. Minus into minus. What? You write down the correct answer. 32 minus of minus 18. 14 plus minus 10. Plus into minus. What you get? Plus or minus. You write the correct sign. Simplify. Okay children. Practice. Any doubt is there? Ask.